Hello everybody, this is Ravinder Dastikop welcoming you all for my Cloud Computing 1 minute learning session. Cloud computing has been making waves across the world. It is offering lot many advantages over the existing traditional system. Still, there are people who still wondering why they should go for cloud computing, and in this session I will be answering that. See, one of the fundamental advantage of cloud computing is access from anywhere. In a traditional computing system, you are always locked into the system that you own or to the computer center where you work. This would actually restrict your movements. For example, suppose you are on a holiday, or suppose you want to access certain resources beyond working hours. This is not possible because they are confined to a particular location or a particular machine. Whereas in cloud computing, you can access your resource from anywhere, and this has many implications. For example, it gives you a mobility if you are an employee of an organization, and it also gives you a kind of an access to, so that actually you can keep updating the data or other resources at your will. Secondly, no installation. In the traditional computing, as you know probably, if you want to use any software, you have to buy and install. Not only buying and install is a problem, it is also a task which takes a lot of expertise and time. Whereas in cloud computing, this is completely eliminated. Since services are delivered directly from the data centers of the cloud service providers, you get always updated things. And these softwares don't have any updation. What it means actually in the traditional computing, any changes would be allowed as given as a patches, and it is your responsibility to use those patches to update your software in order to enable those features. However, in cloud computing, this is not needed. And fourth important thing about this is data is safe and secure. So in the traditional computing, you have experienced that there are a couple of reasons for which system will go crash, hard disk may not be working, software may go down, all those things. This will not happen in cloud computing. So these are some of the benefits which force you to go to the cloud computing platform. But once you are there, then you are taking advantage of all these features forever.